First, let's introduce several main holes. The first hole on the left is sub, which means intake. The second hole on the right is und, which is the pressure outlet. And the third hole on the back is the exchanger, the exhaust hole. These three main holes are for intake, outlet and exhaust. Now let's introduce the wiring of the proportional valve of the laser cutting machine. Use the methods shown to find these locations. Connect the wires sequentially. Open the platform configuration tool and enter the password 6125903. Select the corresponding port. Enter the maximum air pressure of the proportional valve. Save and exit. Open the software and locate the air pressure calibration window. Once the calibration is complete, it is ready to use.